Okay, hey everybody, welcome back. So today I have a little bit of a different video for you. Today I'm going to be showing you how I get my inspiration for my DIYs. So you're going to be going with me on a shop with me to Burlington's and also the at-home store. So yeah, if you guys are interested, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so that is all that I have today. But I did find a couple of things that I was interested in, and so yeah, I hope to be recreating some of those for you guys really soon. Also, I want to show you some of the things that I did pick up when we were out. So if you guys are interested, just stick around. If not, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Little notebook that says wife, mom, boss. I am a sucker for these little notebooks here. I really love these just to like jot down things, and if they have some kind of inspirational saying on them or something that kind of speaks to me, I'll just grab them. So yeah, I picked this up, and I think this was like $3.99. yeah, it wasn't very expensive at all. Pretty good deal. You guys excuse this messy car, but I did pick up this little timer. I thought this was cute. It's just like a toaster oven. Although our stove does have one on there, you know, it has one built in already. I decided to pick this up. It was $5.99 at the at-home store, so that's like the only thing I picked up out of there. The next thing I picked up is just this little shower curtain right here, and I really did like the way it's like kind of metallic. I don't know if it's coming through on camera, but it's kind of like metallic, and I am planning on doing a DIY with this, so I won't be using these rings. I don't think I will anyways, unless I can like jizz them up a little bit. So yeah, that is what this looks like, and this will be for my children's bathroom. The last thing I picked up, hopefully you can see this, it's a little purse. Well, it's kind of like a duffel bag, but I'm going to be using this for a purse. You guys know I have little kids, so I need to like pack as much as possible at times. So this is a Madden Girl bag, and I thought it was really cute. It was marked down to $19.99. It was normally $78, and so yeah, I got it for the steal of $19.99. So yeah. Okay, say bye. Bye. You see yourself on there? Yeah. All right. Bye, guys.